Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Justiceof. Welcome to a new video on Business Central for Warehouse Management. Today I'm going to show you how to pick and ship items from warehouse. So let's get right into it. First, we're going to look at our sales orders, and I just wanted to show you my list here that I've already done in preparation for this demo. So I've already created a lot of sales orders that have already been released and that I will be using for this demo today. Now, first thing that we are going to do, I just wanted to show you if we open one of these sales orders, you can see here we can have the option to create a warehouse shipment. So you can go ahead and do it right here. But again, that will be only for the specific sales order. And let's say I have a lot of sales orders that I want to create warehouse shipment for. So this method really does not really work, but you can go ahead and do it right here if you want to. What I want to do, so I'm going to search for warehouse shipment up here, and we are going to open up the list. So we are going to create a new warehouse shipment. So we are going to click on new. We are going to choose the location code, which is East. As you can see, Business Central has already added the number for this warehouse shipment. And as you can see down below, we currently have nothing in the different lines. So I'm going to click on prepare and we are going to click on get source documents. And this is going to open up all of the documents that you can use for this warehouse shipment. Now you can go ahead and choose each one of them for this warehouse shipment, but I'm going to do it another way. And I'll explain to you the reason why in some minutes, but I'm going to use filters to get the source documents. So once I click on that, you can see here I've already put my own code and description. And once I have already written that, I can click on modify. And in the modify section, this is where it's very important. You will see down here we've got source documents and we've got different types of source documents, so sales orders, service orders, purchase return orders, and outbound transfers. And that is the reason why I wanted to do it this way, because if we are going to do the get source document as these, you can do it, but it's going to take a lot of time. You have to go through each one of them. Whereas in this particular scenario, what we are doing right now is we are taking all the source documents and put it under one filter so that when we are creating the warehouse shipment is going to take the source documents from each one of these originating orders. Now, once you've already done all of that, you've already selected your code and all of those doc details here, you can click on Run, and you will see down here it has automatically added all of the sales order and the source document. So right now I only have a source document that originate from sales orders, but if I had any other source document from other orders, it would have been added right here. Now, another thing that is important, so if you go into the home, you will see the post shipment, but currently you cannot really do that right now because all the items are still located in the warehouse. So what you will need to do before you click on the post shipment and allow it to post is you are going to create a pick to continue. So how we're going to do that, as you can see right here, we've got the option to create pick. So you can click on that and you can click on OK. And you will see it has already created the pick document for you. Now, if we go and search for warehouse pick, here we go. We've got the warehouse pick. And if we open up this one, you will see here we've got all the items that was present in the different sales orders that we had and that needs to be picked up. So Once you've already checked that all of this is correct, what you will need to do is, because a warehouse pick, essentially it is an instruction to the people in the warehouse to pick these items. So what you're going to do is you are going to register the pick once this has been done. Now you can go ahead and click on yes. And so if we go back to the warehouse shipment, you will see right here it has been partially picked in the document status. Now, why it has been partially picked? Because some of the items are actually not present in my location at the moment. Some of the items, like the whole decaf pins that we saw previously in the pick section, they have already been picked, so they have already been processed. But for instance, these other items are not present right now, so they have not been picked. But either way, we can see that it has been partially picked. But once you have seen that everything has been picked, because once you've completed this section and all of the items have been picked and the status here is picked or completed, you can go ahead and click on the post shipment. Now, if you click on the post shipment, you can just ship or ship an invoice, and then you will be able to then create your warehouse shipment document. Now, if we go back to the sales orders, let's say if we open one of these sales orders here and we go down here, we can see that the quantity ship has been put to 10. So this gives you the indication that the item has been shipped and the warehouse shipment doc has been created. So this is how you go about to create, pick, and ship items from warehouse in Business Central. I hope you find this video very interesting, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.